Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the personalization function in the Smart Life application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Privacy Settings section, just click on the button. And within this section, look for the Personalization button, by which you agree to receive recommendations of scenes, commodities, services, and other contents of your interest in order to improve your experience of smart products. So if you want to enable this feature, just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns green, it is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.